Okay, I'm in the Revit file. We've got the 4 structures built. This video is going to focus on adding roof assemblies to these structures. Before we get into that, we're going to make a change to the assembly we have for the mass timber roof. I'm going to click on it and actually go to the section looking north. So what we have here is a thick layer of insulation on top of the CTL, the CLT panels. Okay, they're made up of wood layers. Each layer is 1 3/8 of an inch. We're going to separate these two. What I'll do is edit the type, and I'll make a dupe. No, I'll actually rename it. I'm just going to remove the reference of the rigid insulation, and we'll add the insulation separately. Say, okay, go to edit and click on this layer for the rigid insulation and delete it. And then say, okay, and apply and okay. So you can see now there's no insulation, but what we're going to need to do next is raise up all of these mass timber members so that they're to the underside of the roof assembly. So to do that, I'm going to go back to the 3D view. I'm going to click on this top layer here, and I'm going to right click and hide it, hide elements, so that I can see what I'm doing. Next step is going to be to go around, click on Control, and select only these ones on level 3. Okay, looks like I've got them all selected, and I'm going to change them all to minus 4.125 inches. So that's the layers of the CLTs. Negative 4.125 inches. Let's do that again. Negative 4.125 inches. Make sure you have the inches symbol in there. And apply. Okay, good. All right. We also are going to need to raise these columns up. So I don't have to go around and select all of them. What I can do is right click, and I'm going to select all instances in the project. These are the only mass timber columns that we have. So I will make the top level offset minus 4.125 inches and apply that change. Okay, they all look good. I'm going to now go back and turn back on. So I'm clicking on the light bulb here. I'll select the floor assembly that I had turned off, and right click and unhide element in view, and then click on the light bulb again. Okay. So now we're ready to add the roofing material, the insulation layer.